In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 7 Days to Die split screen on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will only be able to play split screen on PC if you use the Nucleus Co-op mod. Unlike the console versions of 7 Days to Die, it does not have native split screen on PC, so you will have to download this application from GitHub. So look for Nucleus Co-op by ZeroFox and download it by clicking the Releases option at the right side over here. Download the Nucleus Co-op mod zip file and extract it somewhere. You will be able to open it up and access the Nucleus Co-op.exe. Inside of Nucleus Co-op, click Download Game Scripts and look for 7 Days to Die. Click Search, and as you can see, you will be able to download the split screen script for 7 Days to Die. After you select the 7 Days to Die executable, you will be able to assign the different controls for all players. So player 1 can use the keyboard and mouse, for example, and player 2 can use a secondary keyboard and mouse or a controller, etc. After you set up the controls for both players, they will be able to run the executable through Nucleus Co-op and play split screen right away. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 7 Days to Die split screen on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.